Hello, hey everybody.
Hi, it's Jessie.
And Chris.
And we're gonna have a beach party.
Hey, we thought we'd take a day at the beach because summer is super fun and there's so many cool things you could do at the beach.
Yeah, so I hope you'll get up, stand up with us, and let's do some dancing. We have some fun activities, and they're all beachy things.
First off is a freeze dance, which is a little weird to do on the beach because if you're at the beach, you're usually so hot you can't possibly freeze. But in this song, when the music stops, you freeze your body.
Yeah, and then when you see the other activities, follow along with us and do what the screen says.
All right, good luck everybody, and let's have some fun.